Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on your incognito mode because a lot of people have been having this issue of them trying to locate the incognito in the YouTube but can't find it. So I'll show you how to find yours and fix the problem. So first thing you have to do is make sure your YouTube is not on landscape, right? So it should be on portrait just like this, and once you show it's on portrait, the next thing you have to do is look below your screen. You see where it says you, that's your profile. Click on it, and once you click on that, you can see where it says accounts right there. Click on that as well, and you're going to see this drop down of your account, and you're going to see turn on incognito. So once you see that, you click on that and you can see my incognito has been on. So that's very easy to do. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.